Yo, hello everybody, welcome back to Switch with another video about the wealthy affiliates and another second lesson. Actually it's a seventh, but second lesson, free lesson on the second playlist. So without no further ado, is choosing your direction. So we're just gonna choose our direction and what we want to create. And I'm just going to read this through, and within reading this, I will just add my thoughts. So basically everybody will know we basically want to create our website for free on the wealthy affiliates. So as you can see right now, I'm just showing you my website, which I done it a couple of days ago for free hosting totally. But if you want to buy the premium one, then you will have proper domain, which is .com with whatever name you will choose. My site is switch2pro.com. It's not .com yet, but it's going to be next week, because on the Friday I will start the premium lessons, and then I will just show you the premium lessons as well. Okay, so we're just gonna carry on with the training. So we are in the training affiliate bootcamp, and it's free 5 lessons, and this is the lesson number 2, choosing your direction. So before I will start, a super quick side note, although this is going to be here in this lesson as well, so I will just introduce you what's all about. Basically making money from home. It's not any scam or anything like get quick rich or whatever crap. It's just basically we're just learning how to create the websites, and then we're just learning how to affiliate products on your website, and that's it pretty much. Like, long story short, because there is much more into it, like we need to understand how to create our articles in order to be properly searched within the Google engine. So it's going to be it's going to be like a long journey to get to the point where we're actually going to get some money from it, but then it's going to be turning into the passive income. So obviously we need like a year or two to learn, do the articles, making design website, but at the end of the day it's going to be much more fulfilling way to making the money instead of working for somebody else. Okay, so I think that was like a super crazy good introduction, and then I'm just gonna crack on with the lesson number 2. So let's have a little conversation here about the branding. Like the wealthy affiliate brand, your goal with your website is going to be create and establish your own brand. So obviously right now I'm just doing like a vlog about the cardio and nutrition. So that's my site. You have the links obviously below the video. That's what I meant. And then you can learn about me. I'm nutritionist and gamer, and you can have my story over there, and yeah. So from the very outset, then you are going to setting yourself up for a long-term sustainable success online. So yeah, that's what I mentioned. So basically, yes, it's gonna take a while to be there. To discover your brand, you need to first decide on your target audience for your website. Choosing your target audience, there are actually many different directions you can head with your bootcamp site. What the affiliate is a service that encompasses many different industries and verticals, and you can quite easily promote it to many different types of people. So they will give us the list. I will just show you that list as well, and also I've done the copy paste that list on my desktop, so I see on my other monitor, on my second monitor, I see that list as well, because this is like really good way to introduce what you are going to learn, promote, whatever you want to call it, make a video about this. So that's why I have the list on the left side, and I will just show you that list as well. And I will show you 2 things which you're supposed to remove from that list, which I don't know why they mentioned that, but we'll just figure in a minute. It's a good thing. It means the opportunity to promote wealthy affiliates and become widely successful promoting wealthy affiliates is vast. So I want you to read the following tutorial. Yeah, so we're just gonna click over there. Obviously, I'm not going to read through the whole tutorial because that's not the point. But the point is they just target audience for wealthy affiliates. So that's the point. So they're just explaining the idea. It's like 5 billion people outside on the world using online, and everybody wanna make money, obviously, but like majority of people don't know how to make money, and then they coming to help. And then obviously when you involve in wealthy affiliates, you have like super amazing opportunity to affiliate them, and they basically are going to pay you $20 per every person you will get into the premium. So that's pretty much the story. And obviously you need to introduce to the people what you are going to promote and what you are learning. So we are learning here, and we are going to learn, and we are going to promote how to make money online at home, work from home, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, PPC marketing, which I have no fucking clue what's that. I think it's like productive marketing, email marketing. Maybe it's going to be involved. They didn't really mention anything yet. And then we have another list over there, and there are two things which I don't like, and they are not about that. But I will just read through all the stuff, and I will just tell you which two things you're supposed to remove and not promote. That's how I feel. So entrepreneur programs, great. Website marketing, great. Obviously, I'm reading right now what we are going to learn, what it's all about. Local marketing, social media marketing, Twitter marketing, Facebook marketing, LinkedIn marketing, email marketing, Google AdWords. So the all marketing are the social media marketings, but then they put the Facebook, LinkedIn, email. Google AdWords, Google Content Network. We're going to learn the Bing ads, PPC marketing, ClickBank, data entry, home business, search engine optimization, article marketing, getting rich quick. That's not the thing. Like, this is not the getting rich quick, but they put that just because if you will actually put this in your hashtag into the videos, the people might search that, and then they will just find your YouTube video or whatever you're just posting. So that's why they put that, but that's not the idea. Definitely, you are not going to be getting rich quick here. It's really long process. You need to create the website. You need to learn on daily basis how to modify it, update, put in new plugins, put in new content, understand how to make articles in the way that people are going to be able to find your articles within the Google engine. So it's going to be lots of dedication. That's why you're supposed to choose the niche or whatever you are fancy, your hobby is, so you won't feel like this is a job. You know what I mean? Like you just finished your shitty job and then you're just gonna carry on to your website. And my website is actually about my hobby. It's about the nutrition. It's about doing the cardio. I like to do lots of cardio. So I explain my story, why I'm doing lots of cardio, why I like to do lots of cardio. And I'm putting also some workouts at home, and then I have the supplements list. It's going to be like 30, 40 or 50 supplements. So I'm doing the posts, I'm writing the articles about the, for example, caffeine, explaining why I'm using it. And yeah, that's my hobby. I really like to do this. At the end of the day, even if I'm not going to make any money from it, I'm really happy about creating this. And this site is my own site. I'm super fucking happy about this, and I'm just gonna leave it because within the premium account in the next week, which I'm going to start, I can create free websites. So I just doing this one, another one. I will just reviewing the Prime Amazon games because I'm using the Prime account all the time. I like to listen to audibles, to books, so maybe I will just do like a reviews or books, audibles, and maybe the games. We'll see. So definitely I have like ideas, and there's not going to be a problem to create another website. So with that being said, I'm just going to finish off this list and crack on with this lesson, the second lesson. So search engine marketing, self-employment, affiliate programs, affiliate network, WordPress plugins, themes, hosting, website builders, internet marketing tools. So we're just going to learn all of that, which is great. And I just noticed it's kind of dark in my room, but hopefully I managed to record this video properly. So this tutorial is quite, well, couple of pages. I don't want to say, I want to say like quite long, but they will just introduce you to what you can type within the Google, like for example minimum wage, and then you will see like in QSR, like for example if you will type minimum wage, you'll see the like 300 websites are going popping out. So obviously you just want to create some content about something which is like for example one website or two websites. Like if you for example are going to type what is minimum wage for the US, it's just two websites about this. So maybe you might create the website. This is just the ideas, obviously, because you don't want to create the website about the minimum wage, and also you don't really want to even consider this tool on the beginning of your journey, because the most important part on the beginning is just to create any website you like, you like really passionate about. That's the point. because then if you will be just overthink your first website, your first niche, then you're not gonna create anything, because there's so much professional people who creating the websites in the first place. So there's no really point to overthink. There's just basically, you're just supposed to take you about like 1 minute, literally. You're just supposed to know instantly what you want to create and just go with this, and then you will just creating another niche on another website. That's how we are going to roll, because eventually the idea is to do 50 websites. Imagine that, to just make the passive income. So imagine that, $1,000 or whatever monetary value you want to put on one website, and you have 50, so obviously you have $50,000 per month, like 10 years from now, 15 years from now. So that's fucking crazy if we are going to manage, but why not? So we just read this tutorial briefly, and truly are many different phases of the platform. Here are wealthy affiliates, and you are immerse yourself here. You will truly realize how big the opportunity is to benefit from wealthy affiliates. I already realized that. That's why I'm so hooked into it. That's why I want to make the videos. That's why I'm super excited about the idea of actually making money at home, which is fucking crazy. Whether you target audience is affiliate marketing or earning extra money while in college or stay at home with moms. So that's the thing, that's the beauty of that. Like, doesn't really matter how old you are. You can be 15, 20, 40 or 80. And if you really have passion about something, hobby and a little bit of spare time, because honestly I'm doing this only on weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, but I'm smashing, you know, like fucking 12 hours, because you just need to learn this. You just need to learn proper skill online, 21st century, and just fuck the normal work. The normal work is for retards. Like, just, I don't want to be rude, because I'm working some shitty job right now in the lumber mill as well, and it's really fucking hard work and shit, but I don't want to be, you know, stay there forever, like a couple of years, and then we're just gonna carry on with this, because that's the fucking beauty, that's the power. Just that's the power of 21st century. You just want to do something fucking online. You don't want to, you know, do some shitty job which you're not happy at all, and just wondering why the fuck I'm here all the fucking time. Why the fuck I have to wake up at 4 and go there? You don't want to be in that position within the couple of years, or at all, if you are able to. So the football stadium analogy, so that's what they're trying to explain. There are standing in a football stadium, 80,000 people plus wild fans, all of whom are passionate about something and have spent $1,000 money on the tickets to get there, and then no mention to transportation, food, and likely a beer or two within the game. So the average sporting event costs a family about the $420. So these people all have money, and these people could all benefit from wealthy affiliates. So the point is, like, people have like lots of money to spend for some kind of the passion, which in this scenario they're just showing us the football, so they don't mind to spend $420 per some match, right? Let's say even it's just once per month, so it's quite a lot of money. So the long story short, you can just spend here about $40 per month to learn the powerful skill to be able to leverage that $40 to the fucking really high income skill money, to get like lots of that's what you get the idea. One more time. So yeah, we can leverage $40 per month to have 10,000, 20,000 or whatever you wanna go with per month, like lots of money. So I'm just going to jump to the brand. You're a brand, you will be an expert. So basically what they're trying to tell is, like, whatever you are going to choose, just don't overthink. Like, somebody is an expert, somebody done the studies, somebody have the PhD and they're doing that content, so you are not going to do that content. That's not the thing. Like, firstly, even if you're doing the content with everything right now, it's like there's going to be some professional people who just working even with like a group. There might be like 15 people doing one website or 20 people doing one website, but it doesn't mean you shouldn't start doing that, because firstly, everybody are different in the world, so you have the different approach and different mindsets to, you want to show that. So let's say you like the cheesecake and you want to just do the website about cheesecake with like, there's going to be like 1,000 variation of the cheesecakes, and even if somebody done this, I don't think so, I reckon not, you will have a different approach to that. So that's what I'm trying to say, firstly. And then secondly, if you are like super hyped and passionate about this, what you do, eventually you are going to be expert and professional within that niche because you are really like this. So you're going to constantly upgrade, well, learn. That's what I meant. You will read all the time, and yeah, eventually you're just going to be a professional within. So it doesn't really matter what you are going to choose. You are going to be professional because that's your passion. So you will be an expert in your brand, and then you can just leave this site, this brand, and just carry on to create another brand. That's the beauty of creating powerful professional websites. So task 1, choose your direction. So you're just going to choose the direction. Your task today is going to be choosing your target audience, or in the other words, the direction on your brand niche. As you can see, I just choose basically to promote this and just talking about this. So I will just carry on with doing the lessons and explain the lessons on my profile, YouTube profile. This current profile is going to be everything about the wealthy affiliate, which is great because I'm learning. I'm showing to you guys what I've been learned, and then obviously there's going to be the affiliate link below my videos. But with that being said, I also have YouTube channel about Diablo game, Blizzard games called Diablo, and I will put that as an advertise as well before the video, because I think doesn't matter, like I said before, I just want to say one more time, doesn't matter how old are you, and doesn't really matter what are you doing. At the end of the day, everybody wants to have some money online as a passive income. So even if you are a gamer, you want to have the money. You are studying, you want to have the money. You doing some shitty jobs, you definitely want to get some money. So you want to be involved in that project. Doesn't really matter what you're passionate about or what you want to do in the future life. This is like great because that's giving us the ability to use computer, laptop. Doesn't matter on where you are going to live in the future. You can just basically run your business within the internet connection from your laptop or even phone. So that's the great. So choose your direction. So obviously you're just gonna choose the niche, but then you're just going to choose another niche because you just want to progress. So you're not gonna stop on one. Just choose whatever you are passionate about, and then just carry on and do as much as possible eventually. So my site is about the wealthy affiliate, and a little bit maybe is going to be about the healthy food and supplements, which is my blog, but I think I'm just gonna keep the blog how it is, and ultimately this YouTube channel is just about the wealthy affiliates, because I reckon it's going to be like crazy good source of information about this site and program. Okay, so I think that's it for now. So we're just going to jump to the lesson number 3. I think that's much better, like when I'm just talking by myself and not reading a lot, because the last playlist was kind of like I was reading through everything just step by step and then adding my own content. So at the end of the day, if you want to just create the free account, because there are free lessons, so you can read everything by yourself, you can see the video, because there are going to be like 20 minutes videos sometimes, lots of stuff, good stuff to learn. And basically we're just going to finish off this lesson and just jump to the another one. So it's going to be lesson number 3, just in the minute, building your website. And also I would just try to read this as fast as possible. Already want to mention on Friday starting the premium account, and for those who want to obviously start your business online, because that's what's all about, is to create your own website, which is the vlog on the beginning, and then turn into your passion into your business. So the ref link is obviously below the video. Stay tuned, take care, and bye for now. And lesson number 3 just in the minute. So take care and bye for now. Have a nice weekend, productive, and whatever whatever you want to add to your day, like just be happy and productive. Stay tuned. Bye.